So in this brief video, I'm going to show you how to create your wallet within Coinbase for both browsers and mobile devices. But I want you to please remember that you're going to need your wallet created within Coinbase prior to connecting your fully automated trading bot to Coinbase. And of course, you're going to have your Coinbase account set up prior to creating your wallet. So if you have not set up your Coinbase account, please pause this video and watch the video for setting up your Coinbase account on our YouTube channel prior to creating your wallet. So creating a wallet on your desktop. First, install the Coinbase Wallet browser extension. Go to www.chromewebstore.google.com. Under search, type in Coinbase Wallet extension. Then once you click search, then you'll be directed to this page. Click where the arrow is located. Creating a wallet on your desktop, you will be directed to this page. Click on Add to Chrome. Now, at the upper right-hand corner of the same page, click on the drop-down button at the upper right side. Once you click this button, a drop-down will occur. Then click Coinbase Wallet Extension. This window will then appear. Then click on Create New Wallet. Next, this window will then appear. This is your 12-word recovery phrase. Click Copy to Clipboard. You can paste it on a document and then save this recovery phrase somewhere secure and never share it with anyone. And Coinbase will never ask you for your recovery phrase. Check the box and click Continue. Then this window will appear. Coinbase is making sure for your benefit that you have saved your secret recovery phrase. Simply click on the first word and the 12th word of your recovery phrase, then click Submit. Now, this window will then appear. You need to create a password with at least 8 characters and at least 1 number. Enter the same password again, check the box, and then click Submit. Now next, this window will appear, stating your wallet is ready. Then click Claim for Free. Next, this window on the right will then appear, and you can create your username, and then simply click Continue. Then, enter in a username, check the box, then click Submit. And that's it. Your wallet is ready and your desktop is now created. Now let's create your wallet on a mobile device. So first, download the mobile app on either Apple or Google Play. Step number 1. Select Create a New Wallet. Step number 2, review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Step number 3, pick your username and set your privacy preferences. This is how other wallet users can find you and send you payments. Step number 4, choose your preferred security method, either biometrics or a passcode, and we recommend biometric authentication. Step 5, back up your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Keep this safe, and this is the key to access to your wallet, and Coinbase will never, ever ask you for your phrase. Now, backing up your recovery phrase on your mobile, select Backup to Cloud or Backup manually. If backing up to the cloud, you'll be asked to set a password to encrypt your backup. Like your recovery phrase, keep this password safe as Coinbase will never recover it for you. Now, if you choose Backup manually, your recovery phrase will be displayed for you to write down or to copy and paste in a secure location. Now, confirm the first and the last words of your recovery phrase to confirm your backup. Now, take care not to expose or share this recovery phrase, as Coinbase will never ask you for it, and it never should be given to anyone. And guess what? You're good to go. And welcome to the crypto world.